All right, guys, what's going on? Danny back here with Pro Trans over in Athens. Today we're working on my truck. It's a 2015 GMC Sierra. So, guys, we all make mistakes. My inverter, if you have a 110 volt outlet in your truck, eventually it'll go out. Mine went out, so I jumped the gun and I said it was a bad outlet. I ordered the outlet. It was like 50, 60 bucks. Put it in. It didn't work. So guess what? I had to do the legwork to diagnose it to figure out what's wrong. So we'll start from the beginning. I'll show you all the steps that I went through. So first thing, the book tells you, or the instructions tell you that you got to check fuse 39, which I'll show. You can see this here. This is the steps to check it. It says fuse 39, which granted on mine, it was not fuse 39. It was, let me pull this up and I'll show you. Hold on one sec. It was fuse. What?
Oh, there you go. Go.
Oh, my bad. 35. Yeah, 35, which is right here. That's the one that was kept on blowing on mine. So I did find that it was blown. So procedure is to go check your ground first. You go to the AC power inverter module, verify that the ground at pin 11, black wire. This goes to G210 at the base of the right input. Make sure you have a good ground. I checked that. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to plug something into the AC outlet and check pin 12. Blue and brown wire at the inverter goes to 12 volts. Guys, don't make the same mistake I did. Make sure it's unplugged before you plug it in, because if not, you'll blow that fuse again. The first time I did it, I had it plugged in and it blew the fuse immediately. I was trying to figure out what I was doing wrong. You have to have it unplugged. Next thing you want to have, which we have an AES wave back pin and front pin kit. Make sure you use the proper pin that goes in it to check for voltage. And the two tools that you're going to have to use is a multimeter and a test light, non-LED test light. With that test light, you're going to check to see if you have the 12 volts. Make sure your test light turns on. Mine did. So that essentially tells me that I had a bad inverter. So put a new inverter in it and we can show you now. You come in this side and I'll go on to the other side, Ty. So we've got the new inverter in it. Where is my little plug? There it is. We got the new inverter in it now. Of course, the light's not going to come on until you plug something into it. So I'm going to plug into it. And now it works. All right. Now, if you're wondering where the inverter is on these trucks, because again, the diagram is really, really, really vague. Let me pull the light and I'll show y'all. The inverter is on this side of the dash, right back here. There, where that orange wire goes, is right there, that silver bracket up top. That's where the inverter is. It's only got one bolt.
So it'll be in the truck like this. You have one bolt down at the bottom of it and the plug on the front of it. So it's just like this.
So then essentially it goes sitting in the dash just like that, but on this side. And there's one bolt that goes right there.
And then the harness got a Christmas tree.
Right there.
It clips in there and it clips in here.
So guys, at the end of the day, diagnose it, print out the schematics right and go through the thing. Don't be like me and just throw an outlet in it. I preach diagnosing all the time and I didn't do it on this aspect of it. So it is what it is. I learned from my own thing. It's just trying to rush and hell, we're a mechanic. At the end of the day, us mechanics don't want to work on our own stuff when we go home. And that was the case in this. I didn't want to work on it. And honestly, it was quick and easy to pop that outlet out and put a new outlet in it. So I learned. I've wasted 60 bucks for no reason and ended up having to buy a almost $200 module. If y'all need the part number, I'll grab y'all the part number real quick for these. It is 841-81077. Again, you can see right there. See you on the next one, guys.